Ever looked at that Costco gas price and wondered, how on earth do they do it? Let's dive in. Step 1. Bulk buying power. Costco, renowned for its massive warehouse stores, operates on a simple principle: buy big, sell big when it comes to gasoline. This means they purchase enormous quantities directly from refineries. This sheer volume allows them to negotiate prices that smaller retailers simply can't match. Think of it as getting a significant discount for buying an entire truckload, or even an entire train car, of gas. Step 2. The exclusive club. Costco's entire business model is built around its membership program. That annual membership fee isn't just for entry. It's a commitment from members to purchase within the Costco ecosystem. This loyal customer base gives Costco a predictable demand, which, in turn, allows them to offer lower prices as a direct benefit to their members. It's a reward for loyalty, making the membership feel even more valuable. Step 3. Smart location and overhead. Costco gas stations are almost always attached to or located very close to their main warehouse stores. This strategic placement leverages existing customer traffic. People are already going to Costco for their other shopping needs, making the gas station a convenient, added stop. Furthermore, they've streamlined operations, often featuring self-serve pumps with minimal staffing, which keeps their operational costs lower compared to traditional gas stations with more amenities and employees. Step 4. Competitive pricing strategy. Costco isn't just trying to cover their costs. They're aiming to be a compelling draw by offering gas at a significantly lower price than their competitors. They pull in more members and encourage existing members to frequent the location. It's a loss leader of sorts, drawing people in for gas and then hopefully encouraging them to stock up on other highly discounted items inside the warehouse. So, the next time you fill up your tank at Costco and marvel at the savings, remember it's a combination of massive purchasing power, a dedicated membership base, efficient operations, and a clever pricing strategy that makes that cheap gas possible. It's the Costco way.